Just coming in from Mumbai, Kapil Sharma, Rajpal Yadav, Remo D'Souza, Sugandha Mishra, all of them have got an email, a threat email. These complaints were received at the Amboli and the Oshiwara police station in Andheri. In the complaint, Kapil Sharma and Rajpal Yadav, on the basis of the complaint, FIRs have been registered in Amboli. In the Oshiwara police station, FIRs have been registered. There is a threat email that has been sent to Remo D'Souza, Sugandha Mishra, Rajpal Yadav and Kapil Sharma. The accused signed these emails as a person called Vishnu. The email in primary investigation has been traced to an IP address in Pakistan. This is big news which is coming in. Kapil Sharma, Rajpal Yadav, Remo D'Souza and Sugandha Mishra, all of them have got an email, a threat email. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, from what we understand, initially these are the people who've got emails, and at various police stations across Andheri, FIRs have been lodged on the basis of this. What else do we know about the investigation so far?
Well, not in all cases the FIRs have been registered. In one, say for example, Remo D'Souza's case, the inquiry is still going on. In Sugandha Mishra's case, the NC has been registered a non-cognizable offence, and it's only in other two cases that an FIR as yet has been registered. However, in the preliminary investigation that has been found, it's a very cryptic email. If you read it, it's a very cryptic email. Doesn't really say much. What it is it talking about? What does it refer to? There's no detail of that, but it just says, so we hope you take it very seriously. But the IP address of this email is, in its preliminary investigation, the police has found it is from Pakistan. Now, whether is this a hoax? What does it intend? That's something that the investigators will really have to look into, and why was it sent to so many people? Well, that's something that is being investigated into, and of course, these kind of threats are not taken lightly and will be investigated thoroughly by Mumbai police.
Right, Vidya. So this is what my colleague Vidya is also pointing to, as the fact that these emails will not be taken lightly and a thorough investigation will be done. A couple of FIRs have been filed.